Hello and welcome to the Smart IT Academy. In this course, we are going to explore the email marketing module. We will show you how to configure and use the module to allow for efficient organization and support of employees. The email marketing module has one permission level called User. This user access rights is required to be able to access the module. Throughout this course, we will view the module as a user with this permission. As with many Odoo modules, email marketing closely integrates with many other modules, including contacts, CRM, sales, link tracker, marketing automation, events, surveys, and more. In fact, when installing email marketing, Contacts is also automatically installed unless you already have Contacts installed, in which case only email marketing will install. For this first lesson, we will briefly introduce the menus and basic features within email marketing, which we will then explore in depth in future lessons. Let's begin our introduction from the main dashboard by typing EMA and selecting the email marketing icon. The default page that we are taken to when clicking on email marketing is the Mailings menu. A mailing is a mass email that will be sent to specified recipients. In this view, we see a list of mailings. Note there is a My Mailings filter applied. This filter is pulling up mailings that Mitchell Admin is responsible for, as we are logged in as Mitchell Admin. This filter can be removed. For each mailing item in the list, you see valuable information such as the date that the mailing was or will be sent. In some cases, a mailing may be in the draft state and not have a scheduled date yet, such as the first mailing in the list. You also see the subject of the mailing and the employee responsible. To the right, you see statistics related to the mailing and the status of the mailing. We will review what each status means in a moment. You can add additional fields to this view, such as recipients, by clicking on the dots on the far right. The default view for mailings is the list view. You can change the view by clicking the icons in the right corner. If you click the Kanban view icon, mailings will display as tiles. In the Kanban view, mailings in the draft stage will show the name of the mailing and the recipients. Mailings will appear in the draft stage prior to it being scheduled or sent. Mailings in the in-queue stage will show the same info as the draft stage. In addition, the schedule date will display next to a timer icon. Mailings will appear in the in-queue stage, when a date has been scheduled for it to be sent. Mailings will display in the sending stage when they are in the process of being sent. Once all the emails have been sent to the selected recipients, the mailing will move to the sent stage. Mailings in the sent stage will show the same data as mentioned for the list view. You can also view mailings in a calendar view by clicking the calendar icon. When in the calendar view, you will see the name of the mailing on the day that it was sent or will be sent. Returning to the list view and clicking the Toggle Search Panel button, located to the right of the search bar and marked with a downward arrow icon, reveals the filters, Group By, and Favorite sections. These tools can be used to refine searches within the email marketing module. The filter option provides standard filters, including sent date, A/B tests, and more. There is also a wide range of custom filters, including action needed, mailing lists, and scheduled for. The Group By feature allows you to group mailings by status, sent by, sent period, and a wide range of custom groups similar to the custom filters. As you see throughout Odoo, under Favorites, you can save any specific filter you would like to use repeatedly. Let's remove the My Mailings filter in the search bar by clicking the X. Now, all mailings are visible to me, including ones that I am not responsible for. In the search bar, you can search for mailings by typing in the subject. Let's type monthly and click Search Mailing for monthly. You can now see in our search results our mailing with the subject Monthly Newsletter is brought up. Let's now review the menus at the top. The Mailings menu brings you the default view of all mailings. The next menu is Mailing Lists. From this menu, if you click on Mailing Lists in the drop-down, you will be taken to a default Kanban view containing all your mailing lists. The Mailing Lists Contacts submenu takes you to a list view of all mailing list contacts that are a part of various mailing lists. The Campaign menu is where you can set up campaigns that contain multiple mailings and see statistics related to the campaign. The Reporting menu will display reports analyzing mailings and campaigns. Finally, the Configuration menu is where users with the required permissions can access all settings related to the module and configure it to work according to your business needs. Now you've had an introduction to the basic features of the email marketing module. Why don't you head over to the next lesson, where we will discuss various access rights for different users and show you how to configure settings to best suit your business needs. Thank you for watching, and until next time.